feeling uneasy? Are you sick? Perhaps your heartbeat is racing. Well, don't worry, because the pulse wave stethoscope PW-22 is here to solve all your worries. Inside the box, you get pulse wave stethoscope PW-22. You also get a 5-in-1 accessory kit inside the packaging. It also has a user manual to help you understand its functioning and parts better. It has an excellent acoustic quality with a heavy walled tube. It has a double lumen tubing which eliminates the noise of the wires rubbing against each other. Now let us see how to use it. Insert the binaural tips in your ears. Now you tap on the diaphragm softly to check if it's working or not. If you cannot hear any sound from the diaphragm, then rotate it 180 degrees. Tap it again and now you should be able to hear a sound, which means that the diaphragm is ready to use and is in the correct position. To monitor the pulse rate, you have to place the diaphragm over the skin directly and not over the clothing. In order to get the accurate hearing of the pulse rate, it needs to be placed for a minimum of 1 minute. You can also hear the sounds of your various body parts such as your lungs, your heart, and your stomach using the stethoscope. You can also change the ear tips of the stethoscope by simply pulling it out and replacing it with a new one. You are now ready to diagnose the examinee through the stethoscope.